that's how the strategy works every single trade, right?
When you sell something, what happens? You bring money in, right?
Stay smart, stay ready, stay profitable.
All right, welcome in, ladies and gentlemen, to the Profit Panel. Just got to get my chat pulled up here. I'm not going to interact with you guys. Hopefully everyone's having a good day. Still filling up the room here, I see. Well, I'm going to pull up the charts and get to looking. I also have to keep this screen up so I can see when Alex joins. So do some rearranging here. Nice. Okay. Share my screen. There we go. All right, folks. Well, welcome in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Interesting day so far to start off. Kind of a weird week in the market. We got tomorrow's Veterans Day, which is interesting. I'm wondering. Market hours. Okay, so the stock market's open all day tomorrow. Well, that's good. Glory in Christ. It's a good day to be alive, prospering, and being in good health. Amen. Amen. I think about that every day. Good health. Things are going good in life, so zero complaints on my behalf. We are in some 0 day to expiration SPX calls right now. We'll see how it works out, but I got a feeling we're going to fill a level here I've had on my charts for the last couple days. Right here, 68.90 on the SPX. So that's kind of level I'm targeting right now for today. Might not happen today. It might be overnight. Could also be tomorrow. But really liking this little temporary bottom we made. Let's see if we can get some follow through. What's up, Terry? Good afternoon. Welcome to the Profit Panel. Good to see everyone today. I realized I probably need to send Jeff and Alex some links again. It's been a little while. Just going to resend those so they have them at the top of their chat. So this is how the SPY's looking today right now. It's shaping up very nice. But then we've also got this other contender. We've got gold today, which is up just a modest, close to 3% day on gold. Kind of came out of nowhere. Wasn't on my radar at all. And then gold started flying. So Bradenton, happy Monday, man. Happy Monday. It's a good day in the markets to be a trader. I tell you what. I was very interested as well today in some Meta calls. We're really beat down on Meta with a big gap to fill. We went lower on a lot less volume. And I'm thinking might want to come up and retest this 200-day moving average here around 680. So really liking Meta. Alex was just talking about XPEV in the chat. That one's getting some volume. I don't know exactly what XPEV is. If anybody, feel free, let me know in the chat. If you guys have traded XPEV, this seems like maybe possibly a Chinese company. But they're up a lot today. And then, PLTR, poor Michael Burry. I feel bad for Michael Burry. PLTR is up 9% today and pushing higher. Let's add on the wave and see what we see here. So the wave indicator caught these calls today on PLTR, which is amazing. If you use the wave on the intraday timeframes, that's an amazing trade here on PLTR. You would have been able to get in around 183, and you probably wouldn't have got out until 190 if you were holding. There's Alex. Let's bring Alex onto the stage here.
You talking about the wave indicator?
Man, I'm talking about the wave indicator. I
like that chart, man. That's Palantir?
That's Palantir today. I was just talking about it. I just put it on. I was like, I wonder what the wave indicator shows here. And
that's sick.
Yeah, very, very nice trade right here on PLTR.
Dude, someone took the Palantir flows from last Friday and got 248%. Night Flyer did.
Oh, really?
Yeah, on that pump this morning.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
What was it at on? What was it? Go to Friday. Where were we at?
Let's look. So Friday, it looks like we were at the low was 168.
Wow. And by like 10:30 this morning, we were at what?
190.
Wow.
190, 193.
That's so crazy.
That is nuts. I mean, I did not expect that from PLTR.
No, man. Wild stuff. Woo.
Everything's been wild today, Alex. I mean, I was looking around the market because I was long last night on my futures account, and I was like, we'll be good. Looking for a nice pump here. Now, this caught me off guard. I did not know we were going to go this high.
Seriously, man.
We're still going. Look at this. We're still chugging higher.
We're popping out. Oh man, are we playing open? Are you in open at all? That thing's popping.
I am not. I'm in EOSE though, and I'm up very nicely.
Oh snap! Nice. That did you take the regular? We took we should have just done calls on it, man.
I just straight up took the 21 call.
Dang it! What are you up?
I am up 50%.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah,
done that. We took the spread, and we're up like 50% too, I think, or maybe less. But
and Susie, I'm hoping Susie's here so she can share her results because she also took the 20 call, or maybe it was the 21. I can't remember.
That's sick. Yeah. Wow. EOSC kept on pumping.
Yeah, look at this.
So what I'm kind of interested in though right now is open. We're having.
Ooh, let's bring Jeff on here.
So many calls coming to open. What's up?
What's up,
What's
Jeff?
happening? Doing all right?
Oh man, I'd say we're doing better than all right, right?
Sure.
I'm up 20% on open.
Nice.
Oh, did you get into open? Oh, you didn't tell me
did.
that. You were just like, "Hey guys, let's check out open." You didn't tell me you were getting in. Dang.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Let me go ahead and share my screen here, Blake.
Yeah, please. Just foaming over here over the wave indicator. Don't mind me.
Okay, so I mean, yeah, look at all these calls. When'd you get in, Jeff?
I got in probably about, I don't know, 4 or 5 minutes after I posted that to you.
Yeah, man, you got this nice little pump, didn't you?
Yeah.
Woo! We have a ton more stuff coming in just recently. Look at this on the sweep scanner, $8 calls, 11.14, 11.14, 11.14. So we have actually a lot of trades to put on today. Some of them are already in. Some of them I'm going to open up right now. First off, since open is pumping, let's go ahead and open that one up, folks. Actually, let me open up the channel here so I can type everything in. But you can look at it on my screen and just do it. We're
getting some good testimonials in the chat already. Hands up 45% on open.
Oh, snap. Yeah, so let's go ahead and buy to open those open. BTO open, folks. So we're going to open. 14 November 25, $8 call. Yeah, Sean, we're chasing open, man. We're going to chase it. Well, the reason we're going to chase it, look at this. So just 228. This is a sweep that just came in for $7.6 million. So that was only 5 minutes ago. Now, normally, yeah, like I wouldn't want to chase this puppy, but we also had this one. Actually, I think these actually correlated here. I think they're the same order. 75K at the $8 call. Yeah. So we also have but there's just so much. And this came in 210. And 210 was actually just right here at this move. So like, yeah, this would have been sick, but look at what happened with EOSE, right? I mean, EOSE kept popping. I'm not going to pull it up right now. I mean, I can, I guess. But EOSE kept pumping. So I'm not too, like, I think open can, and it's so cheap, I think open's pretty cheap right now. 14 November. Yeah, it's like what, $50. So the $8 call is $50. Honestly, I think I might do the $9 because it's only $20, and there's a ton of stuff going on with it. So you could go 50, 20. Which one did you do? Did you do the 8 or the 9, Jeff?
8.
Yeah. So it's cheaper. The 9's a little cheaper.
Go the 8.5.
We could go to the 8.5. That is true. It's $30. That's a little better delta too.
Mm-hmm.
I don't mind that. Okay, let's go the 8.5 here.
We're working on it now, Linda. We're about to put it together here.
$8.5 call. So that's good. I mean, that's going to put us, yeah, more volume on the 8 and 9s. I know, but like this is like the delta's a little better on the 8.5. So, and this won't take until the 18th, folks. So we can go, let's go 8.5, $32. So if it hits, let's see, I'm going to get in for 33. Yeah, I'll just go for 33, whatever. So, and this was both on my sweep scanner and my free ride scanner. So pretty cool stuff there. If it goes to 9, even if it goes up to 8, both of these are going to pay. The delta will be a little better, right? Delta is how much the option is going to increase in price. So on the 9, if it say it only goes to 8 tomorrow, and it's kind of a bump, whatever, we'll still get a better little gain on the 8.5 than we would the 9 because it's about 14 points. Oh wait, sorry, 12 points higher on the delta. So that's that. Let me go ahead, move this up to. Okay, so that is that. So I want to ask you, because I opened this position actually already. But look at all these, Jeff, on silver.
That's SLV.
That's SLV. So look at this giant move up today. This is why SLV is a fun one to trade, man.
Yeah.
So we popped super, super hard on SLV. The $46, these are the December 19th, $46 calls that are on the scanner. I mean, honestly, like SLV has been wild. I mean, yes, we are above the 9 right now. Where's the 20 on this? So I don't have the 20 open.
Alex, I just posted that open trade for you.
Did I not post it?
I don't see it.
Oh, I posted it.
Oh, you did. It just slid up there.
Didn't I?
Yeah, you did. I
Okay,
just missed
cool.
it.
No, you're good. Let's go to EMA. Add that there. I don't know why my 20 disappeared here. 900, 200. Oh, delete that. Change this to 20. And so we do have we have the 9 crossing over with this little pump here on the 20. Big old gap up. I mean, like what rates are going up again, or yields rather. So I don't know. I like SLV. What do you think, Jeff? 46. I mean, I think obviously we'll hit 40. I think we definitely will hit 46 this week. Honestly, I feel like we will.
Yeah, I think so too. They're trying to fill the gap right this second. That gap that's over there. They got 4 cents to go to hit that fill.
Right. Oh, and look, we're pumping a little bit there. And GLD, I don't know what the GLD's up to.
Yeah.
I thought what's the copper one? I always forget.
CopX.
Copper futures.
HG.
Oh, it's HG for the copper futures. Yeah.
Ooh, copper's up a lot today.
Yeah, I got above $5 again.
Dang, look at that.
That's almost 510 right this second.
Yeah, wow, that's cool. So I don't know, metals again. Long-term trends on metals, man. It's currency's getting debased, folks. We're printing.
Well, as long as Trump wants to create more inflation, metals are going to go up.
Right. Which is the only way he has to get out of the debt. That's the only way we have to get out of the debt. We just got to grow, baby, grow. So.
Well, yeah, but I mean, to give everybody a $2,000 check, that's stupid.
Yeah, I know.
It
seems like a repeat of COVID, right, Jeff?
I know, man. It's gonna be a lot of Miami trips.
Man, I mean, they ought to just take all the money and pay down the freaking debt.
I know. Oh, Hollywood got a 30% gain on open. Man, nice. I'm slacking. All you people are doing great on open. I'm here sitting on a 3% gain on Tiger today. Dang. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Okay, actually, let's go ahead and. Well, I guess the EOSD is pumping. I know we had a target good to cancel for that at 49. We're at 38. I kind of feel like we're up 42%. I feel like we might as well just get out. I don't know if the EOSD will keep on pumping or not. I mean, I guess it could. We'll come back to that after we get these silver trades. So well,
we're up in 37% on it right now.
On the EOSD?
Yeah, 37.5%.
I'm up 42.
Well, you're better than me.
44. Take that.
Yeah.
That's payback for open.
Yeah, that's right.
In the eye. So these SLV calls you see on the scanner, they're so this means basically extreme means, well, they're basically being executed at the ask side, and there's no ascending fills, which is the most baller signal that you can get, but these are all super extreme, and they're also so extreme volume over like basically open interest, and they're all aggressive, which means they're basically executed. Extreme means it's like a lot of volume vis-a-vis last session, and also they're being executed at the ask side, which means that they don't care about price. They're not trying to pinch pennies here to get in. So SLV is that's the one. I'm already in it. I'm up 5-6%, but it's still going to be good for you guys. I mean, I think it would be if you don't want to do it, but these are I'm going to do the actually I didn't use the one on the sweep here. I did the 11-20. Well, one of them is a sweep. You have 11-21, 11-21. You have 12-19. You have some 1-16s. I'm actually taking the 11-21 just because I'm not trying to hold the trade for that more than 2 weeks, really. And honestly, if it does pop, we'll get a bigger gain than we would at 12-19 or 1-16 expiration. So I will dump that in here. SLV. BTO 21 November 25, $46 call. I don't know what it's at now. I mean, 5%, and I got in at I dropped it in the free ride alert. What did I get in? At 99 cents. Okay, so it's about 105, probably 104. I think that's going to be pretty good, as an entry for folks. So yeah, I don't think it's, this should be a pretty decent sized move, I'm thinking. So
I like it.
SSL.
And guys, just got to clarify real quick. Open is the ticker.
Yeah. Open is the ticker. Yeah.
We are buying to open.
And then there was, let's look at this Tiger, man. This thing, 3%. I think and we're over the EMAs. Actually, let me see where we're at on the wave. I don't know if we got a signal or not. No. But we're over the EMAs, so I'm kind of going to just probably going to hold this over at Tiger Trade. FRS members going to hold it overnight. And also, I think I sent out another one today. What was it? PCG. I'm going to hold that overnight too because it's not looking too hot.
Did you look at XPEV?
I did, man. I have bad luck trading Chinese stocks. Like, I just don't. They don't move like I think they will. But honestly, the XPEV chart looks a little. I mean, this is what I'm saying. Like this kind of price action right here is just weird. All these Chinese stocks do this stuff, you know. Like I just don't. I can't ever get a read on them. So I don't know. Did you trade it?
I have not. I mean, me and Jinko didn't work out too well.
Oh yeah.
And so I just kind of, like you said, I kind of leave Chinese stocks alone. But I just noticed it had a nice move up today.
They did, and what's interesting about it? Well, they have earnings coming up this week? It looks like next week. But like they are actually their recent high, they're above that. They broke over that solidly, and now the next high is pretty far away. It's at 27.17, so $2 move. So honestly, like it could pump. Personally, I'm not going to trade it because I just have lost money on Chinese stocks more often than not. In fact, I don't think I've ever won anytime I traded a Chinese stock. So I'm gonna sit this one out. But XPEV is on the scanner. So yeah. Oh yeah, and Jeff was talking about Mobileye. You were talking about Mobileye. I actually sent out an alert to that as well. So what I want to show you guys, let's see. I sent out the alert on free. Mobileye is a Vladdy. I think Mobileye was started by Israelis. Honestly, a lot of cybersecurity stuff comes out of Israel. Unit 8200. I'm pretty sure they were founded by Israelis. So
speaking of that, this was like in 2005 or 6. I was converting all of my VHS to DVD. And I bought a device out of Israel.
Oh yeah,
to do that.
That's pretty sick. Yeah, I got all these like beta tapes from my mom wanted me to get them sent into Lifebox of me like as a kid, like a baby. I don't know. You remember Beta? It was like a VHS alternative.
The old Betamax.
Yeah, Betamax. That's what I gotta send that off. I keep on forgetting about it. It's like in my closet somewhere. So Mobileye, I got in on the $14 calls. At 58 to 59 cents. I'm not up too much, actually. Hopefully I'm still up. I'm up at 3.5%. So I'll drop that for people if they want it. It is on the, so what's cool. So I sent that alert out at 1:30. Oh no, actually 1:56 is actually when I entered it. So let's look at what happened after that. And I don't think you guys accounted for this. So basically, I said, look at it. And then we had this huge other order. And then we had another huge order come in on MBLY actually right after we entered. So unless we have like some big baller here who just dropped 10K contracts from the Free Ride Alerts Telegram channel. That's pretty good, guys and gals. We had another follow through order after we were in the position. And so there's just a ton of volume. If you look at the options chain on this, there's like 30K, maybe not that much, probably about 11K at this point, contracts being traded there on mobile on that strike. That is December 19th. It's a little far away at 12,222 contracts being traded. So I thought about doing the 14th of November because actually it's the $13 calls are pretty good volume as well. And they're also cheaper, but ultimately, I chose to get a little more time for it to play out. I don't really know why. Mobileye has no earnings coming up. In fact, I think they already reported. They actually sold off 10% since their earnings report. So we entered. It went up. We had a nice pop. We're about break even to where we entered. However, there's a lot of volume, and so I just follow the signals, right? Follow the cookie crumbs. So if you want to do that, hey Karen, this is not the Free Ride scanner. This is another scanner I've been working on. This is in beta mode right now, so this is not even available to the public. So you get a little sneak peek of what this is. So this SLV stuff I'm seeing is just on this other scanner. not the free ride scanner, which is why I wanted to build this and get it out to you folks eventually, because it picks up on stuff that the free ride scanner is not built to do. So you can basically get a ton of unusual flows from it. All right. So that MBLY, we got to, this is if this is your first time with us today, Mondays are like unusual flows days. So we have a ton of flows. Normally we don't have this many, but it's kind of been a busy day. And I'm kind of, I'll say I'm hoping that a lot of these calls will be big. I hate using the word hoping when trading, but if the government does end its shutdown, it's probably going to be at least a morning spike. Probably will sell off after the morning spike whenever they announce the shutdown. Right, buy the rumor, sell the news. But I do think that we'll get a little pump on some of these positions. Oh, is open pumping hard? Oh, dude, Hollywood got in when I said TMBLY up. Nice. Good stuff, man. Yeah, you're up probably big, honestly.
Yeah, I was trying to figure out why on the flows Lyft has a bunch of $19 puts on it. Not a bunch.
Lyft?
Volume wise, Lyft, but it's making a new high. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they're trying to hedge something. Doesn't make any sense to me.
What's the put? What's on the put side?
It's a $19 put for December 19th.
Oh, well, I mean, what's on the call? Is there a lot of call?
There was a call early this morning, and then the rest of them had been puts this afternoon.
Interesting. All right, we can look at that. Let me get to this one other. Okay, so MBLY. If you're not in it, guess what? You lost me. Pink Sparkles. No, don't leave Pink Sparkles.
You're still here for me. Don't worry.
19 December 25. Dude, I have a ton. I probably opened too many positions today. I need to close some of these out, hopefully by tomorrow. Call.
Wow. I put in a GTC order on open, and it just filled me.
Really? For what?
They must have just moved that stock big time.
Dude, no, it's up 15-20% now.
Yeah.
We're up 17%. We're up 20%. Let's go, folks.
Right. It's
I was
happening
up
right now.
25%, and boom, it just tagged it.
21%. 21%. I think we're going to close this out live on camera if we get to 25%. I mean, we're at 21%. I kind of want to just do it anyways.
I'm at 25% right now.
Well, that's where I just got filled.
That's sick. Or we could hold it overnight.
I just figured it'd be going overnight. That's why I put a GTC on it.
Yeah. We'll let it play out a little bit, see what happens while we open some of these other positions up. So that's the MB, that's Mobileye, the cybersecurity company. And then there was one other that I thought was interesting because it was a massive order. So this K-View is K-View might be the they're not doing great, man. Cough and cold medicine sales dip in October as syrup safety concerns mount. This liquid formulations shipped recent diethylene glycol contamination incidents.
Antifreeze?
Is that antifreeze?
That's antifreeze.
No way.
Yeah. Ethylene glycol? That's antifreeze.
Okay, well, Central India, man, they're just dropping antifreeze down there. That's messed up, dude. Jeez. So I don't know why this is on the news for K-View. I guess maybe they
Isn't Kimberly-Clark buying them?
Yeah, they are, which is interesting. So they sold off really hard when Kimberly-Clark announced that. Now they're up, and we have this massive order coming in at $9 million for 58K contracts. Now this is not on the free ride scanner, which is very interesting to me. At least not yet. Well, no, it's not. So This is the 11.21 $19 calls. These are really, really cheap, folks, and which is why I kind of want to show them to you because I love cheap options, and I don't. These are like 6 cents. They're down 12% today, so we can pick up like a ton of them. K-View. So these are the. I'll type it in here. Actually, I'm going to tee up this order so I don't have to get too bad of a fill. I'm not going to enter until I give it to you, but I'm going to tee it up so I don't waste too much time. 11.21, $19 call. So it's a $3 pop. We have a big gap up on earnings, even though earnings kind of sucked, but at least the revenue was a big miss. But I mean, we're looking for 19 here, which is right in this consolidation. Actually, it's filling some sort of gap. The gap down right here. I don't really know if that counts as a gap fill, to be honest, but yeah, I don't know. It's so cheap. I think I'm just going to take a little shot at it. 11.21. Let's go ahead and give it to you guys. Now this is K-View. K-View BTO 21 November 25 $19 call. Very cheap. You know, you should be able to pick up a good amount of them. Yeah, so they're at 7 cents now. You guys are already moving the price up. Just kidding. There you go. So I'm in at 7 cents. So hopefully that'll work out, man. Maybe we'll get a pop here or something. I think honestly you could probably get in for 6 cents. I didn't even push it. I don't know why. Try and get in for less than that, 6 or 5 cents even. I don't know why I didn't push 7. Brain fart. But yes, okay. So I'm only up 10% on open now. Maybe I'll hold it overnight. MBOI, KView, EOSC. What else do we talk about? Any other tickers?
M Monster.
Oh,
Can we talk about that yet?
Yeah, well, yeah, that's the wave. That's the wave pick. It's kind of reversing on us. I'm gonna hold it for a couple more days. If we don't see a pump here, then we will get out. But the earnings were good. I think we'll be okay on this.
You do the mash. You do the monster mash.
That's right. What else? There was one more ticker I think we were talking about in our channel. XPV, KView, SLV, Open, MO. Okay, so we actually got all of them. So I think you guys should have all of the trades. There's all the unusual flows for today. Let's go. So SPY is up big. We only just had one full candle under the 20 moving average. Just been fairly normal for this market. Just a couple of candles, and then we jump up big. I'm trying to think any what else is interesting today, just like structurally on the market. What's the fear and greed index right now? I'm curious.
You ever traded BBAI?
Oh, that's an earnings play, isn't it?
I would think so because they're starting to pile them in right now.
It's going to be, yeah, let's look at BBAI. So Vladdy wants to do some crazy earnings plays. I didn't have any on the docket for today. They're reporting after hours. Their last earnings was bad. We can go look at earnings. Let me just look at fear and greed index here. I think we're probably a little bit in fear still. So probably means stocks are going to go up.
Yeah. Alex, are we still in Geo?
Yeah, we are. I might cut it, dude. I just feel like it would work. There was so Geo was actually longer dated. It was I think it was 12/19, right?
Yeah, I was wondering. I thought it was January.
Yeah. Oh, is it January?
I don't. Well, something was.
It was 19 December.
Okay.
I'm actually going to stay in Geo because like 19 December is so far away. We have time to let it work in our favor. You can get out if you want. It's not looking great, but They had good earnings. I forget what I'd have to go back and check what the. Let me see if I can find it in my. Let me see if I can find it in my.
Yeah, see if you can find it. Jeff, what was that one military stock? You thought it was the Army?
UAMY.
UAMY.
How's that doing today?
It's
I
up.
don't know. We
It's
got
up.
in that and got out of it.
It's
Is
up
it?
again. Yeah, it's pumping. At least it was this morning. So
Oh.
Geo had basically 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 15, $21 million worth of calls came in on Geo for this 19th of December. So I don't know. And they were all aggressive sweeps for the most part. I'm not too concerned about it. And I'm not too concerned about Siri either for those two positions. I'm going to stay in Geo. Do what you want. Nathan got out of open at 20%.
Very
Good shot,
nice.
man. How many people we got on, man? 300 some?
Yeah, 370 right now.
Woo! Welcome,
Wow.
folks.
Doing good.
Welcome, people.
Yeah, folks. So profit panel is like we do this every day at 2:30, and if depending on no matter what kind of trader you are, I think you'll find something you like simply because we do something different every day. Today is like the flows and just regular options. We do credit spreads on Wednesdays. Tuesdays are using my wave indicator. Thursdays are one DTE roulette. We're trying to get pops overnight, and then Fridays are longer term debit spreads that go. You try and get like 200% or something on them. So. It's really a buffet of trades. We put on fresh trades every single day, so I think you guys will enjoy it.
Oh yeah. And while we're on that topic, and we have everyone here still, direct your attention down to the announcements section. It's right below the screen. You just scroll down, and on there's a link. It says "Never miss a show."
Yeah.
Add this to your Google Calendar. That way, you get a notification every day before we go live.
And B, you can. I put a limit out at 25%, and I think that's what Alex was doing too. But he wanted to kind of see if they could hold it overnight.
Oh, for open?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we at? I think we're up 14% now. Oh man, we'll see. I kind of want to just get out.
Do
Hey,
they
but
have
the
earnings?
KView play is up 20. Hey, anybody get into KView? Drop it in the chat, folks. Come on. We're up 21% on that. Shannon, thank you. I love you, Shannon. Appreciate you showing up all the time. 21% on KView, folks. There you go.
Did I get left in the dust?
Did
I
you?
did.
It moved fast.
Yeah, I actually had it at 7 cents, and it left me in the dust.
It happens
yeah.
to the best of us.
I'm
Mine's sitting
eating
there
dust.
too.
Eating dust.
SLV for me is up 6%, so it's probably up 1% for you guys and gals. Tigers holding strong at 3.5%. And then PCG. Oh man, this thing. I thought it looked like a solid one. But it's still in a good trend. This is from Free Ride Scanner. Sent this out. I'm gonna hold it overnight, see if it pans out. I think we had a longer expiration. No, it's 14th. So I'll hold it overnight, see if we get a pump. I think we can reverse this position though. We got some good trend here. And no real resistance until like 1679. So that gives us basically about a 20-cent pump left. So I think we can at least get up to there. If not to where these two candles basically $17, which would be 40 cents or something. So we could do a big bear AI play. Let's look at dang, Gene, you're up 45%, KView 28%. I love it. Love to see it, man.
Great job, Ian.
Yeah. Everybody always beats me on these live trades, dude. I swear, these people are like crack traders, man.
Well, the thing is we say, hey, let's buy this thing. So they're out there buying it while you're typing it.
I know.
By the time you finish typing it, it's already moved up, probably 3 or 4%. So
I think we're gonna have to change that, folks. I'm gonna start front running these positions.
We just need to add a delay, just a short delay.
Yeah. Put like a little 3-second delay on it.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to do that, guys. It's all good. Also, I mean, I would love to think that we were moving it, but I think honestly, the reason it moves is just because we're seeing price action happen in real time and we're making good, solid trades. So, it just is. It is what it is, right? I'm okay with taking a little bit of a hit on my entries as long as you guys are successful. So, let's see. Big Bear AI. Let's see. Okay, so earnings. Man, I haven't done well on earnings this year. None of my. I think I won maybe one. I haven't had the mojo. So
There was
Understand
a
that.
thing in the Wall Street Journal this weekend that 439 whatever companies in the S&P 500 have announced, and like 75% of them have smoked earnings, and that every one of them is basically sold off.
dude, that I saw every single position has gone the exact way. I'm like checking my phone at the gym. I'm like, oh man, like they'll report at like 7 p.m. At 7:30, I'm like seeing it's like a 7% pump pre-market or aftermarket after hours, and I'm just like, oh, this is gonna be sick. And then just it goes, and whether it's a put or a call, like I've had ones that were puts and they were like, downside, we're just like selling off hard, and it comes up to the market open and then just they go the opposite way, and I'm like,
I know.
So maybe there is what are the BBAI stuff coming in here? Ooh, some 550, $6, some 550 calls. Wow, those are in the money. 6 and 650. So the expected move is
expected move for the
17%. Is earnings whispered? Is it the options implied move for the week? How do they derive this?
I think they do it for that expiration date.
Well, what expiration date? The week of the
earnings? Like on BBAI for the 14th, they have 194% move, which is crazy.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
And then for next week, they only have 144%. And it just kind of decreases from there as it goes on out. So it looks like it's going to jump up and die.
So or not move anymore. I wonder, should we do a straddle?
Ooh, that'd be cool.
What would that cost us? It's like $70.
Maybe. Let's see. If you do a 5.5, 6 for this Friday is only going to cost you right at $60, $50, $55, $60.
A 5.5, 60.
A 5.5, 6.
5.5, 6. All right, let's look at option strat and see what that translates to.
If you do a straddle 5.5, 6, I mean, both of them sitting right about 30 cents.
Is this it? Yeah.
It looks to me like the 7 calls and the 5.5 puts have your most volume.
It's a good idea to do the strangle on this.
Oh, did I say strangle? We're doing straddle, weren't we? There we go.
Straddle.
Yeah.
If you all don't know what a straddle is, you're buying a call and you're buying a put and saying giddy up.
What would be a strangle? Or I mean, not a strangle, but a straddle.
This is a straddle.
That is a straddle.
Well, a straddle is the same expiration. A strangle is different expirations. Oh, sorry, different strike prices. A straddle is like you're straddling at the money price, right?
Gotcha.
So, I mean, you said a strangle or a straddle, Jeff? I was thinking about a straddle.
I was thinking of straddle also. I was trying to get everybody on the same page here is what I was trying to do.
Okay. Then I asked a confusing question.
Gosh darn it, Blake.
I know.
I'm just kidding. So a straddle at 550, $83. The option implied move, let's just go, it's like 16. So basically by tomorrow, I don't do straddles much. I got to be honest. I'm trying to do them more. Why is the put side, why is it tailored to the, why is it so bad if it goes to the put side versus the upside here? Do you know?
That doesn't make any sense.
The IV maybe?
It could be.
There's 172% IV.
Yeah, but wouldn't that, it should be the same basically profit payout on both sides.
Right.
What if we go, no, it just gets worse.
Well, because like if they had earnings and there was an IV crush, there's nothing to drive the price of the options up.
Yeah, but that would affect the calls and the puts. But like right here, right? Am I talking about what you're talking about? Because it should be the same thing to the upside as it is to the downside. Maybe if we change the range.
Possible.
Let's see. This range is okay. So BBAI is at 574. Let me go to my percentage change calculator. What's the implied move here? 17% of 573. What is 17.1% of 573? So it's basically, let's just say $1 in either direction. So 473, we're at 11% by tomorrow, 12%, 11% by tomorrow AM. But if it goes up, we're at like 36%, right? Or sorry, we're actually at 63% winner. Or we just do a call and a put, and we might be cheaper than a straddle, but it's probably going to be less. So call and a put is not, I mean, it's 52 cents versus, I mean, we could take, where are these calls coming from? Maybe just take the calls. I was trying to get fancy with straddles. I haven't not traded folks. I don't ever pretend to know everything about the markets. I know what I know, but there's always stuff to learn. I'm going to do some more research on straddles. I'm not going to send it out without really understanding them. That great. Because I'm just confused. I mean, I understand the mechanisms of them, but like honestly, it should be the same. It should be I would think it would be an equal payoff diagram for both of them. So it's kind of throwing me off. Whatever.
Well,
Let's go.
Hold on.
Yeah.
So your call, just assuming the 5.5 here, right, for Friday.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So your
yes.
call costs more than the put. All right. It's about twice.
That's true.
Okay. So if you make money on the call, let's just say it goes up, then you're not going to lose that much on the put because it's basically half the price. But the other way around, if it goes down, you're going to make money on the put, but you could lose a whole lot more on the call.
That's okay. That's actually great.
Yeah, that's basically what you're seeing on that right there. Is it's telling you, hey, you're going to pay more for one than the other, and so you're going to lose more if it goes the other direction off of one, but you're going to make a whole lot more on the other one if it goes the other direction. So,
yeah, okay, that makes sense.
Rich, this is not the wave scanner.
Yeah, no,
this is looking at the probability of the option working.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you want to do, Jeff? You want to play the regular calls on BBAI? Do you want to play BBAI at all?
I think we got to leave it alone.
Let's leave it alone. Okay.
Because I don't like the straddle option thing. Because I mean, just based off what that's saying, it's saying, hey, you're going to lose. I mean, if it goes down, yeah, we make money on the put. I get that, but we could lose a whole lot more on the call.
Yeah.
They're not equally spaced there.
Yeah. Okay, folks. Well, we're gonna leave BBAI alone. Are there any more earnings coming up? Let's see if there's any.
We have CoreWeave this evening,
Oh, that's right.
Oh boy.
and we have Occidental
Oh,
this
boy.
evening, and ASTS this evening, and Rigetti's this.
Yeah.
evening.
Rigetti already posted.
Oh, did they?
I thought they did. Oh,
Oh.
no, they didn't. Okay. Wow, we have all the meme stocks.
Yeah.
Meme stock mania this Monday. Meme stock Monday.
And guess who's tomorrow morning?
Jimmy.
NBIS.
No way. That's great. I don't feel like trading in BIS, but let's see. ASTS, you said
Yeah.
mixed. I'm just gonna go plug these into both scanners here. ASTS, 75 buck. It's aggressive here to the upside. 12.19.
There is a gold stock AU tomorrow morning. I don't think they. I think I'll try to see. if
AUR.
They're just AU.
Yeah.
But yeah, they didn't show up any of the the free ride scanner or anything like that. But
What?
they are tomorrow.
Are we doing good on the earnings for like NEM and stuff?
Well, Newmont got hammered, but they're back up now.
Yeah, they're jumping up with the things. With all the metals.
Yeah, they had great earnings.
Yeah. ASTS, and then you said Rigetti.
Yeah,
Rigetti's doesn't have much. And then what was the other? Oh, CoreWeave.
yeah, CoreWeave.
Oh man, last time I traded CoreWeave, we got a 502% gain.
Yeah, we did.
Wow, a lot of stuff. Look at all this premium for CoreWeave. We do have an 80, but not that. We do have some puts. That one put there is the first one I've seen. Put here, a couple 100,000. A couple 100,000 on the put side. Basically under a mil, all but like 2 mil, 1 mil, 75K, 1.7 mil, 3.8 mil, 1.8 mil, 19.7 mil for 140 call. Jeez, man. I think CoreWeave is really expensive now, unfortunately. So
Yeah, they're doing 131.15 calls. I bet those things are outrageous.
oh wow, these are way out of the money though. 140. Even the 140 though for December 19th is going to get more expensive. It's kind of expensive. Yeah, it's like 435 bucks. What if we just? Is there any 1121s? Everybody's none of the 1114 at 7 mil. The $89 put. Oh, that's a big one at 7 mil actually.
They're paying $2 for that.
$2. Yeah, I'm not going to spend $200 for just one contract. Right, $200 per contract of like an earnings play. It's kind of expensive.
Yeah. Yeah, at the money is $8.
That's crazy. Rigetti's probably going to suck, I think, because they had no revenue last time. They had 1.8 mil. Structurally, I feel like Rigetti could be horrible. It is selling off. What's the flows on Rigetti today?
I was just looking at that.
Well, a lot more calls, but not super much.
Not very many at all. I mean, you've got 40, 41s. You got 135. Of course, that was first thing this morning.
What about ASTS? I like ASTS. Let's see.
ASTS looks good.
Not
I feel
much
like
more.
ASTS, didn't they sign some deal like a couple months back? I think they signed some satellite deal.
Wasn't it with I was almost thinking it was with Starlink.
Was it?
I almost think it was.
Yeah. They're expensive now too. You have to go so far out of the money.
Yeah, you gotta. I mean, 86 is when you start breaking the dollar.
What's the implied move for ASTS?
$7.
What the heck?
Which puts you basically at 77 or down to 62, 63.
70. Yeah, so we'd have to be an 86. It'd have to be an outsized move for us to be able to trade a dollar and make any money on it.
And you know you're going to get theta collapse.
I know. Yeah. Yeah, earnings are tough, man. I don't. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not seeing any earnings play. I don't know. Maybe Oxy, if you like that, is potential, but that shouldn't move too much. But
no. I mean, they're expecting a $1.40 move. Woo woo. And it's a $41 stock, so it can go to 42.5, maybe 43 to the upside, and down to 40.5, 40 to the downside. Not much.
Yeah. Well, sorry, folks. No good earnings plays today. I mean,
maybe that was with Verizon, James. I can't remember who it was.
the only thing you could do is a calendar spread on these. So you're basically waiting for it to stay within the range. What's the move for Oxy?
$1.40.
$1.40. So it's at 41. So 40. So if it did, so if you did a calendar spread, I don't know how much this would be. You want to do calendar spreads on boring stocks, so you don't want them to move much. Like you wouldn't want to do one on ASTS because it could plummet or soar. 41.50 for Oxy. $29. So basically, you need Oxy. Even that's not like. Even at 930, you're only looking like a 16% gain. If it just basically you want the calendar spread, you're selling the short dated one and you're buying the longer dated one. So you're capturing like the difference in theta decay from it and the collapse in volatility. Basically, around earnings with calendar spread, you're capturing the collapse in volatility, right? But because of the shorter dated and the longer dated one, but
you're selling the short one, you're buying the long one, right?
Well, you're selling the short dated. Yes, you're selling the short. You're selling the closer to expiration, and you're buying the longer dated expiration.
Right.
So the one you sell will basically like lose value faster than the longer dated one.
Exactly.
So you're cashing it's like a volatility play, but like it's not even that good of like, I mean, I guess a 17% overnight winner is actually kind of good, but it's like, I don't know. It's not super juicy.
Yeah.
I don't know. What do you want to do it, Jeff? If you do, I'll do it. But I'll defer to you.
I never trade Oxy because it doesn't move.
Right. Oh, that would be good for this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, if you want to do a calendar, I'm not going to do it. If you want to do a calendar spread, it's the 41.50. So they're the same strike. It's just different expirations. Does that make sense to people?
Yep.
I can type it in if people want it. Let me know if you want me to type it in, and I will. Or SNDK, I kind of want to try something tomorrow on SNDK, so I'm going to hold off on SNDK. I kind of like these deep in the money debit spreads we're doing, Jeff. We did it on Tesla.
Yeah.
I want to try that on something like SNDK tomorrow.
Alrighty. That sounds good.
I think it's really trending hard.
Awesome.
Yeah. Let's look at that. So
wow.
It's basically like the idea I have with this, like these deep in the money stuff is like you're like synthetically trading the stock, right? Because if you're deep enough in the money, like a little, it's like you don't have to, if you want to make any significant money, you'd have to buy like a couple, 1,000 couple shares of like a company like SNDK. But with a debit spread, you could actually, a deep in the money debit spread, you could actually like synthetically almost be like trading the underlying, but you still can get a 30% pop, even if it just keeps on moving up in a good trend line, So I thought it could be interesting. Well, we'll try that tomorrow because this is
Yeah.
not debit spread day.
Definitely.
So that's folks. So
You
actually,
got opening playbook today, don't you? I mean, closing playbook.
I got closing playbook, so I got to run there.
Yeah, you do.
We've been trading the wave indicator. The software is coming up like soon in just a few days. I want to tell people about that so they could get so they could start learning it and seeing the software is going to basically give you. Well, you'll see. It's pretty amazing though. I'm really stoked for it. We're going to be using it a lot on here daily.
Yeah.
So be on the lookout for that. We'll tee it up.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
Tee it up there for us, Blake.
I will. I will tee it.
Tee it. Playing T-ball.
That's right. It's been teed. There it is.
Not indicative of future